So apparently, one of the secrets to better circulation and increasing your balance in a new and exciting way is to stand on a box that shakes really fast. Or rather, it's called a vibration plate. At first, I was skeptical, but I honestly tried it, and here are my results. Before we go any further, this vibration plate is called muh-RUCK. This is the muh-RUCK curved vibration plate model CV55 4D. This vibration plate was given to me by muh-RUCK in partnership, but my opinions and reviews are always honest as I use them first. Once you open the box, you'll find a manual, remote, pull cord, also known as resistance bands, power cord, and of course the strong plate itself. It's heavier than expected, which is good because you know it's not gonna be sliding around, especially these good suction cups. It's solid. Here's the full unit. Curved platform, oversized surface, clean black design, and it doesn't look like huge equipment that's gonna take over my living room, which is very nice. And here's the moment of truth. This runs on 3 independent motors with 120 speed levels. So whether you want a gentle wake up or something really tough, it's your choice. So here are some of the different movements and combinations you can do. Working your balance, laterally side to side, always challenging balance, but working your hips and your quads. This one's purely vibrational, where it's not moving, but you could feel it working up your lower body. If you bend your knees, you feel in your quads and glutes. If you stand up and you lock your knees, you feel it work up your lower abs and your back. This one's actually very relaxing. This is a combination where it's tilting and moving. So one of many combinations you can do. This one's going up and down with a little bit of vibration. Again, you feel that stimulation and the core strengthening exercise. Vibration with side to side movement while you're standing still is doing the work for you as you engage and relax. And we're adding 3 in 1. Vibration, side to side, and tilting up and down. But it's not hard. It's actually pretty fun. And sometimes it's fun just sitting on it. It's got the full 4D range, oscillation, lateral movement, pulse, and a few blended modes, plus 7 vibration modes and 5 automatic programs that target specific areas, such as your abs, glutes, and legs. So it's not random shaking, but it's shaking with intention. And if you have a hard time bending down to change it on the device itself, it comes with a nice remote. Change it right here. And the actual point of all this, it's meant to relax tense muscles, improve circulation, support lymphatic drainage, and support weight loss with proper nutrition, of course. I was mostly here to relax. No shame in that. The platform itself is big with a non-slip shock absorbing mat, and it's rated up to 440 pounds. So it's built for actual people, not just people in stock photos. It also has lights, Bluetooth for music, and LED lights that shift color with your speed, pink, green, or blue. Functional, sure. Also, just very pleasant to look at while my legs are vibrating. Multitasking here. As mentioned, it comes with resistance bands and an extra non-slip mat if you need it for combo workouts. And there's a companion app with guided routines. Great if, like me, you'd rather have someone else making decisions. And here's what's actually different. It's not overnight, but with constant, steady usage, you'll feel your muscles get stronger, and when you're done, you actually feel more relaxed. Now watch this. As I'm bending, my quads are engaged and you feel my glutes, but as I stand up and I tense my legs, my abs and my lower back, pretty much the core area, is engaged. So here's how you can hear it. I'm going to say the letter A. A. You see your whole body's vibrating, but be careful. If your knees hurt, just bend a little bit. Legs, if you straighten out your legs, you feel your waist, your abs, and your lower back working. It's actually quite fun. It's getting stronger. Even before I turn on the device, there are some things you do, such as your deep squats and some balance exercises you do. Again, this is without the device even on. Working your hip flexors, strengthen your hips. But when you turn it on, I would recommend the vibrating, not the lateral movement yet. Just holding a plank will work your upper body. And of course, you do some push-ups, makes it even better. Putting in a higher speed and lifting your heels on, you feel a little bit of loosening and massaging of your legs. And of course, sitting on it, you feel the vibrations come all the way up to your shoulders, which is quite relaxing. Oh yeah. A one-legged knee up with the balance on the pad gives you strength just as you would on any other surface, but you feel that vibration on your standing leg and just works the muscles a little more. Try holding it. This is an advanced move. It feels really good. And for us middle-agers, this vibration plate is very relaxing. You feel the vibrations go through the legs, up your thigh, towards your lower back. And with different functions, it's challenging and improving your balance. Just standing here makes you work without having to do too much work. And your muscles are being strengthened, and every time your muscles are working, bone density improves, a major benefit for us middle-aged bodies. I've tested many products. A lot of them are given to me with brand deals, but I have to honestly say, I'm very happy with this. It's very strong. It doesn't take up much space. Up to 440 pounds. I'm 203, thank you very much. And it feels just very secure. They have many different levels, different speeds. And there's so many things you do with it. If you want to check it out, the link and any current discount code should be there. And again, this video was brought to you in part by muh-RUCK. Thank you for sending it to me. I truly had a great experience, and I hope you do too. So check them out and give them a follow.